Alright, so as you can see here, we've made our first 3 holes. We're now going to make the last hole here, our last step. And so again, let's look to see what hole we need to make. Alright, and so this last one is also going to be a counterbore. It's just going to go all the way through. Alright, so like the first one we made, this counterbore hole is going to go all the way through. So let's get to it. Alright, so again, we're going to create a sketch. Select this top face. Alright, in this circle we're going to put at -5, 1. So I can't really see where that -5 is at, so we're going to use this hand again to so we can see where -5 is. There it is. I'm going to again press escape so I get off of that hand, and we're going to put this right at -5, 1. Perfect. Alright, the diameter of this circle is 0.75. So we're going to do 0.75. Press enter and finish our sketch. Alright, and so again, we're going to create a hole. Again, this is a little bit farther over than what I want, so I'm going to press that hand again, drag it over, press escape to get off of the hand, and now I can go do what I want to do, which is create a hole right here. So again, you can see I'm right on the center of the circle, and I'm going to select. Alright, so we're doing a counterbore here. So we're going to select a counterbore. This length. So again, the distance is going to be all. So it goes all the way through. There we go. So we got that part done. The diameter of our outside circle is 0.75. Perfect. The depth of this is going to be 0.625. So 0.625. Alright, again, this angle isn't going to change. And the diameter of the part that's going through is 0.5 inches. Alright, so let's see, so 0.75 inches, yeah, diameter here, yes, 0.625, good, 0.5, alright, that all looks good. So we're going to press OK. Alright, so how do we know that this whole thing, I'm zooming out here, I'm using my mouse and zooming out. How do I know that what I've done here even looks right? How do I know that it looks like this little section drawing right here? Well, that's what we're going to find out in this last step. So that's it for this step here, and we'll see you guys as we do the last step recording. So that'd be this is step 5, so that'd be step 6.